up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video it is all about this beautiful, stunning, gorgeous unit from Yolissa Hair. Now, as always, I love to share with you guys what I receive in my package, and I hope y'all receive the same thing. You do get some lashes, you do get a wig cap, which that is always a plus. I could never run, or actually I could never have too much wig caps to be exact. You receive this headband, edge brush, and just other amazing goodies. So let's go ahead and get into today's unit. Now, this is a Body Wave 13x4 transparent lace. It is a 24-inch unit and it is 180 density. I loved the hairline. It does come plucked already. It comes already curled, okay, which is a plus for me because I still don't own a curling iron. What's wrong with me, y'all? I need to order that right now while we talking about it. But these curls are so pretty. They are super full and bouncy, which I love. And this is inside of the unit. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom, and adjustable straps. So your unit is secured, and I had to do the little shake to show y'all how bouncy the curls are. Let's get into the color, honey, because the color is everything. I rocked this unit and posted it on Instagram. You guys went wild. I'm talking about like crazy. Y'all really liked this unit. So now you guys know exactly where it's from, even though some of you guys did ask and I sent y'all the link in my DMs. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation all over the lace because we want it to match my skin tone. So this is tinted the lace. I really did not have to do much to this unit except this part and gluing it down, and that's about it. The older I get, the more I'm realizing I really don't care to do a lot of work on units. If I have to, I'll do it, but when they come plucked, when they come bleached is a plus for me, and then all I have to do is apply powder. It's honestly the best because I don't have to do so much customization. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a parting space for me. Y'all see this beautiful unit? Yani, I was so shocked. I said, guy, this lace is looking so good after applying that powder. But I had to create a parting space. I was going for more of a side parting space, not a middle part this time around. So I did go ahead and pull out my curling wand to make sure that wig is going to be flat while I create that parting space. So I did have a little bit of excess lace, so I went ahead and just cut it off. Now I did do the, y'all know the melt method of when you apply your wig cap and you melt it down. I did do that method, y'all. I did it off camera because I never do that method at all, so I really did not want to embarrass myself and mess up, so I just did it off camera. But I went ahead and plucked just a little bit because after having the unit on, I was like, you know what, it could use a little bit of plucking, but I really did not go too crazy with it. And I'm glad I did this because y'all, look at that hairline. It's looking so much better. So the unit is on and it's glued down and it looks beautiful, but I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit of layers. Now, I mentioned earlier, this unit is 24 inches. It is long, baby. It's very long. I'm a short girl, but I love to add a little bit of layers because it looks so much more I don't know, I just feel like it looks so much better with layers. Frames my face and it just looks so much more natural. I always use the word natural because that's the only word I could think of, but it looks good, right? Y'all, I really love the color on this unit. I feel like it's a perfect spring to summer. Love the color. And they did such a really good job with the highlights. They nailed it. I love how it has that nice brown tone going into that really ashy blonde. It is so beautiful. Now y'all can check out the description box to get your hands on this unit, or in case I have any discount codes, y'all make sure you check out the description box before purchasing it. So in case I have any codes, you can take advantage of that and you won't have to pay full price, because who likes to pay full price for anything? I don't, okay? So check out the description box so you don't miss out on that. So I wanted to whip up that wand and just like redo those curls, even though I really did not want to add wand curls to the unit, but I didn't have a curling iron, so this will do. But y'all, look at how gorgeous this unit is. It's very full, okay? Like I mentioned earlier, it is 180 density, and it is just a beautiful unit. It looks stunning on my skin tone. I mean, oh, get into it, y'all. So I went ahead and grabbed my concealer brush and I applied that on the parting space so everything looks more natural. And I did mention earlier, this is a transparent lace. That's why that lace is looking so good, y'all. It's transparent, so you get a good lace on this. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna stop rambling. I love this unit. It is stunning. The color is beautiful on me. I will put all the details to everything you guys need to know about this unit in the description box. Y'all gonna see me rock this unit a lot this summer because it's cute and the color is stunning. I love her. All right, y'all. I love you guys so much. I'm Sana, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.